Hello, I'm Laura Wasilowski, and I've been making fused art quilts for decades. And I've made a lot of mistakes along the way. But I've also learned a lot of tips and tricks about how to work with fusible web. I'd like to pass this information on to you so you can be successful in making your own artwork. Please join me in Fusing 101, how to work with fusible web to create art quilts. In this class, I'll show you the recommended fusible web brands for creating fused art quilts and the types of fabrics that work best when making your artwork. You'll learn the best practices for working with fusible web, like using sharp tools, how to cut fabric with decorative rotary cutter blades, and the importance of silicone release paper or parchment paper for collage building and for creating elements as a unit. I'll show you how to construct your composition on this paper and how to protect your quilt top as you make your artwork. We cover important tips like fuse tacking so you don't get a stiff quilt, bias fusing to make wiggly lines on your fabric, and how to deal with your filthy iron. You'll learn all about scrim on batting and the effect it can have on your quilt top. I'll also demonstrate steam setting the quilt to the batting to prepare it for stitching. I love to add hand embroidery to small art pieces, so I'll tell you about the needles and threads that work best. And you'll learn about a certain sewing machine needle I recommend for stitching a fused art quilt. I hope you'll join me in Fusing 101 and learn how to successfully create original fused art quilts and earn a degree in fusology from the Chicago School of Fusing at the same time.